Ciao lovelies, it's Lunaria here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make paper snowflakes for the holiday season. So I don't know if you made these in school, but essentially all you will need is paper, a pencil, and scissors. So this is a pretty simple and quick craft, but I'm going to show you guys two different ways to make snowflakes out of paper today. So let's go ahead and get started. First things first, you're going to take your paper and you're going to fold a triangle because you need to start with a square for this. So fold a triangle, make sure it's as even as possible. And cut out your triangle. Alright. Because that'll give you a square of paper to work with for the rest of the project. Now what you're going to do is you're going to fold it back into a triangle, going the other way before. That way you have another crease. And then you're going to take this and you're going to fold it in half. Then unfold it back into a triangle. Fold this edge up, which you can do this in any way, but you're gonna want to leave a bit of space. So like this, and then repeat with the other side, so that you've got kind of a weird looking thing here. Alright, now drawing your shape is going to be a bit complicated. Draw it knowing that it's going to be essentially the empty spaces that turn it into a snowflake. So, draw your lines. I'm going to go for a kind of typical one, I think. It'd just be easier. And then we'll do... And if you connect the lines to the edges, that will be a continuous line through the snowflake. So do remember that, because if you're expecting it to be different, it probably won't, and it will be very confusing. So and your drawing doesn't really have to be perfect, because again, it's just a template for you to cut out the snowflake from, so don't really worry about it too much. Just make it as best as you can and as even as you can. Okay, so I've got something like this. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut out all of the empty spaces. So first and foremost, the corner, definitely. And then you're just gonna kind of go in, and everywhere that there is like a negative space, just cut it out. Keep the paper folded while you do this, because that is a key part of this. Very carefully cut into the snowflakes. Boop, boop. Alright, and then you go this way. Alright, once you cut out your shape, you're going to have something like this. The next step is simple. You're going to unfold it. And as you unfold it, you'll have your snowflake shape. Isn't that cool? And you can decorate this like with anything. You can do like markers, glitter, you could put like rhinestones or stickers on it. But this is like the basic how to make a snowflake out of paper. Okay, so this is the one that I made that you guys just saw the time lapse of. Yeah, it's a little rough around the edges, not gonna lie. It's still cute, it's just way more messy than the other one was. But to be fair, that is just kind of the nature of paper snowflakes. Sometimes they'll be a hit, sometimes they'll be weird, you never know. So, I hope you guys enjoyed crafting with me today. Please like this video if you liked it, and comment below if you have any feedback or anything to say to me or just in general. And now I can get to the important part of the video where I get to tell you to stay awesome and remember to love yourself. Seriously, love yourself and remember to stay awesome. And I will see you in my next video, post, or whatever comes next. Bye, lovelies.